again, this is Calum from Chester, and for today's 12 gifts of Christmas, I have a bowl of American blends, cherry and vanilla. This is an extremely important tobacco for me because it's the one that got me into pipe smoking over 10 years ago now. Just from smelling it when I was weighing it out, I knew I had to try it. Its aroma is intoxicating, smelling obviously like cherry and vanilla, but also Christmas cakey, and it's so deep and rich and alluring. It's honestly, I've never had somebody smell this in the shop and not buy it afterwards. The smell translates nicely into the taste, but not quite as intensely, so even if you're not the biggest sweet tooth, you could still enjoy this, and it's definitely very, very Christmassy. So I'd 100% recommend it.